Okay, let me break something to you. If you think being attractive is only about sharp jawlines, six-pack abs, or perfect skin, you're wrong. Like dead wrong. Because here's the truth. People are not attracted to your face first. They're attracted to the energy you bring, the way you carry yourself, and how you make them feel. Looks fade, but personality, skills, confidence, that's what makes someone magnetic. And no, I'm not about to give you some cringy, just be confident bro advice. Confidence isn't a button you switch on, it's something you build. If all you do every day is scroll Instagram, binge random YouTube shorts, and sleep, you're not gonna feel attractive. Why? Because deep down, you know you're wasting your time. Now imagine you spent that same time learning 10 different little skills like coding, cooking, playing chess, photography, writing poems, making YouTube videos, learning a new language, even something simple like editing or playing guitar. That's attractive. Think about it. You meet two people. Person A, I just watched Netflix. Person B, yeah, I'm learning guitar, I love cooking, and I just started chess. Who's more interesting? Exactly. You've heard it before. Just be confident, bro. Walk straight, chest up, eye contact. Sure, but if you don't actually believe in yourself, that's not confidence. That's cosplay. Real confidence doesn't come from standing in front of a mirror yelling affirmations. It comes from proof. Proof that you're capable. Proof that you're not just wasting your life scrolling cat videos. And the fastest way to build that proof? Skills. Skills are magnetic. They turn you from forgettable to unforgettable. You read books. You're literally compressing years of someone else's knowledge into a few hours. That's insane. And it shows when you talk. You play chess. You're not just playing a game. You're training your brain to think 10 steps ahead. That's intelligence you can feel. You cook. Suddenly, you're the person people want around. Nobody forgets the guy who can throw down in the kitchen. You write, you journal, you create. That's emotional intelligence. That's rare. And rare is attractive. You edit videos, you design, or code. That's not just a hobby. That's a money skill. People respect that. Here's the harsh truth. If your only hobby is scrolling reels, what are you gonna say when someone asks, so what do you do for fun? Exactly, nothing. But hobbies change that. Having 5 to 10 different little hobbies is like carrying a secret treasure chest inside you. One day you're reading, another day you're drawing, another day you're trying yoga or photography. And the best part? You don't even need to be perfect at them. Just the fact that you do them gives you personality. Imagine saying, I just finished this book. I've been learning guitar. I've been practicing photography. You don't sound boring anymore. You sound alive. Hobbies give you personality. They give you stories. They make people curious about you. And curiosity is attraction. Here's the best part. When you've built hobbies, skills, and habits, you don't even have to try to be confident. Confidence isn't about walking into a room pretending you're the boss. Confidence is walking into a room knowing you're building yourself every single day. Knowing you've read books, learned things, tried things, grown. Think about it. If you know how to code, play guitar, cook a solid meal, or speak about the book you just read, do you really need to tell yourself, be confident? It's automatic. It's like upgrading your phone's software. The bugs disappear. You don't force it, you become it. That's why the secret isn't faking confidence. It's building yourself until confidence is the only option left, and confidence is attractive. Here's something nobody tells you. Discipline is actually attractive. And I don't mean the robotic kind where you wake up at 5 a.m., journal for 3 hours, run a marathon, and then meditate on a mountain. No, that's not discipline. That's punishment. Real discipline is simple. It's drinking water first thing in the morning instead of scrolling Instagram. It's taking 10 minutes to stretch, meditate, or do yoga. It's studying for 2 focused hours in your day instead of pretending you'll start tomorrow. Those small, repeatable habits, they're proof that you respect yourself. And self-respect is magnetic. Because here's the truth. If you don't respect your own body, time, and mind, why would anyone else? People can sense when you've got discipline. You look healthier, you sound sharper, you carry yourself differently, and that's the kind of attractiveness money can't buy. People don't remember your height or your nose shape or your eye color. They remember how you made them feel. Did you inspire them? Did you make them laugh? Did you bring calm energy to the room? That's attractiveness. And it all starts with you being attractive to yourself first. When you're proud of who you are, your habits, your skills, your growth, you naturally radiate something people can't ignore. No. Next time you catch yourself wasting 3 hours on TikTok or cat videos, ask yourself, is this helping me become the person I want to be? Instead, read a book, Pick up a hobby, write something, meditate, learn a skill that might make you money in the future. So yeah, this is what I've learned about what actually makes you attractive beyond looks. And honestly, I'm not just telling you this, I'm living it myself. These are the small habits, the skills, the mindset shifts that I've been working on too, and I'm really grateful I get to share them with you. If you like this kind of content, let me know in the comments, because it's new for me and I've got so much more I want to talk about with you on this journey. And of course, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.